Hello everyone, it's Elsie. Welcome back to my channel. Last week I did a poll asking if people want to see a video on how to edit Kalimba video using a free app on the phone. So with this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Kalimba video or video in general using a free app on your phone. The app I will be using here is called CapCut. I think CapCut is one of the best free editing app out there that you could get. What I love about CapCut is not only that it's free, it also have no ads and no watermarks. Let's get started. So you will open the app. With the project in CapCut, it comes with a default ending. To close that ending, you can click on here, then click on Add Default Ending, and then close. That will turn off the default ending. Click on New Project. You can select the video that you want to edit. I like to put the video that I want to edit in the same album, so this way it's easier to find. For those who are making Kalimba, I want to ask, how many times does it take you to get to the perfect shot? So you will select the video that you want to edit. You can see there are different functions here. I'm going to go over what they are and how you can use them. To trim a video, you can click on the clip, then click on the white part, then move it to the part that you want it to be trimmed. Another way to do it is get to the part that you don't want. Let's say I don't want this part. Then you can click on the clip, click on split, click on the part that you don't want, then click on delete. The speed function here is where you can change the speed of the clip. Normal is where you can change the speed at a constant pace. For curve, you can make the video into various speed. For volume, you can adjust the volume of the clip. Animation is where you can put in fade in transition or fade out transition. Transform, you can mirror the image, rotate it, or crop it to the part where you want it to be. For mask and Chroma key, I'm going to show you how to do this clone effect at the end. As you can see here, the overlay function is enabled. How you can turn it on is to click on the clip that you want to do overlay. Click on overlay, then click on the clip. Now you can click on overlay and it will move it to the next track. You can click here to undo or redo. Effect is where you can add different effects to the clip. There are many different kinds that you can choose from. For features, you can select different type. There are a lot of different preset one in there already. You can adjust it to how much you want. You can click on adjust to make your own adjustment of how you like it. Format is where you can select the size of the clip. For a TikTok video, a lot of people use 9:16, but if you are making YouTube video, you can select 16:9. Canva is where you can add the background. You can resize the clip by using two fingers to pinch in or pinch out. For background, you can change it to different color or pictures, or even add in your own picture if you want, or just do a blur effect. For audio, you can click on sound. There are different music that you can add to it. If you are making YouTube video, just make sure the music is not copyrighted. For effect, you can add in different fun effect in there. Or you can extract audio from another clip. Or you can do voiceover. Text is where you can add in the text in there. You can click on style, you can select different style, different color, or you can click on effect, which has a lot of different letters that you can select. You can also click on bubble, which can be fun as well. You can also add animation to the letters. Change the speed. For stickers, there are a lot of different kinds of stickers in there that you can choose. You can click on animation to select different animation to it. Another way to create animation to the sticker is to split it into different clips. You can resize it. That would create animation effect as well. You can also do that to the letters. For overlay, you can add in other clip in it. You can add up to 6 overlay in here. This is a Kalimba cover sample that I made with this app. Now let me show you how to do the clone effect using the mask tool. So you will select the clip that you want to do the clone effect. It's best to fill the video in one go. This way you would have the same background. Then you can trim the clip to how you want it and split the two parts. You can see this two clip has the same background. So click on overlay. Click on the clip that you want to do overlay, and then click on overlay, then align the two clips together. Now you can see the two clips are on the same time, but you only can see one character. Here's where you will use the mask tool. Click on the clip, click on mask, click on split, and then adjust the line to where it will show both. That other mask, for example the circle one, that means you only can see the circle part of that clip. So here's the clone effect. Now let me show you another clip of a green screen video. So here's a green screen. You can use the Chroma key to remove the green screen. Click on Chroma key. Select the color that you want to remove. Click on intensity and then adjust to the part how you think it looks good. So now you can see the green screen is gone. Now let me show you how to use the split function. So I want to add this effect to my video. You can click on splits, click on filter, and adjust how much of this effect you want. I just want a little bit. You can see the effect are being added to the clip. Then you can trim the video to how you want it. After you're done edit the video, you can click on here to export it. You can export up to 4K. However, please keep in mind that you are only able to export up to 15 minutes video in CapCut. That's a general overview on how to use CapCut. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to smash that like button. If you have any question about CapCut or want to see more tutorial on how to use it, make sure to comment down below. If there are a lot of interest, I might do a series of tutorial how to use CapCut to achieve certain effect. I hope you will check it out to make some great video. I just got a new Kalimba. I will do an unboxing video for it. If you want to see it, stay tuned. That wraps up for this video. I hope you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Mm-hmm.